Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to use some of the most useful Docker commands in real life. So that we are going to see with an examples. Okay. So also before going to see these commands, as per the previous video, we have seen how to install the Docker desktop in a Windows machine and how to verify the version. Okay, so make sure before using these commands you should have a Docker desktop in your machine and it should be running. In case if you don't have it, I will recommend you to visit the previous video and install the Docker desktop in your machine, then you can go ahead. Okay, so with that we can proceed. So how we are going to use the Docker commands. Okay, first you can open a Windows command window like this by using cmd, and before that you just make sure Docker is running in your machine by just seeing this process. So we can see over here Docker is running. So that means now we can able to verify the Docker command. So that means now Docker is installed and Docker desktop is running in my machine. So these are the two prerequisites before using these commands. Okay. So let me clean it. So the first command what we are going to use it, it's called docker search. So this docker search will be very useful if you want to search a particular image which is available inside the docker hub or even docker whichever is configured, so that we can able to search it. So docker space search space, so which image, there could be many images, which image you want to search it. Say for instance I want to search a particular image called java. Do it. So you just here say correction SEA or CH. So search command, there is a typo. So you can type here docker search space the image. You can give any image name whichever you are interested to search, and then press enter. So you can able to see the results. So here basically, so docker space search space the image name, what image you are interested to search. So then you can able to see all java whichever is uploaded currently into the docker hub or docker registry. You can able to see it with the name, description and the stars, and is it official or it's uploaded by some other people. So that we are going to see. So now say for instance I don't want to see all these images, I want to see docker plus a particular stars should be more than 3, more than 4 stars. So based on that you can minimize the results. So meaning you want to add some more filter criteria, so that you can able to do it. Add filter, and then you can add the property on what base you want to minimize the results. Stars equal to 3. So that means I want to java image list which is having stars greater than 3. So press enter. So now we can able to see 3 or 4. So we can able to see the java images which is having the stars is 3 or more. So you can see here 3 and 8. So you can see now limited images, right? So another way you can add another condition. Say for instance now I don't want everything, I want only the official images. So how to add it? So you want to add another condition along with that existing one, then you can add filter space is official equal to true. So basically I'm trying to add one more condition. To add one more condition you can add hyphen filter and another condition and the corresponding value, and then press enter. So now we can able to see only one row which is having stars 2008 and its official image. Okay, so similarly if you want to add only official image and remove the stars, so that also will bring similar set of results. So it's just official image, you don't want anything else. So this is the way you can able to use the docker search command by passing a particular image and the corresponding filter criteria. Okay, so now I'm going to use another command called docker images. I want to see what images is there in my local. So how many images is there currently in my local. So for that, if you want to see in your local machine, this is useful, docker space images, and then press enter. So you can see here when I look for docker images, I don't have any images in my local machine. It's just displaying empty headers, repository tag image id created and size. I don't see any images over here. So right now in your local machine you don't have any images, so you are getting empty results. So if you want to pull some of the images from the docker hub, so then you can use another command called docker pull followed with the image, which image you want to pull. Say for instance I want to pull openjdk. So this openjdk is not in my local, but it's present in docker hub. I want to pull it. So you can type docker space full space image, which image you want to pull it, and press enter. So here I am not given the tag which version of image I want to pull it, so I just given the image name. So by default if you are not specifying any version, so then it will look for the latest one. So that's what you are seeing over here, using default tag latest. So if you have any specific tag, you can give openjdk colon the tag. So if you want to see these similar images, you can go to docker hub, come over here, and you can able to do the similar search from the docker hub as well. But this is a command. Say for instance now openjdk. So openjdk you can do the search and you will be getting this is the official image. So this is what we are trying to pull. So if you come down over here, you can see lot of tags. So you can come over here and you can see there is lot of images with different tags is available, but we try to pull the official one, which is latest one. So we just try to pull the latest image, we didn't pull the other ones. So this is the way you can able to fill the other. Now you can see there is many images openjdk with different tags. Say for instance I want to pull this particular one, you can copy and you can come over here. Still it's downloading. Yes, completed. Now you can give the docker pull openjdk colon the tag, which particular tag of image you want to pull, so that you can take the tag value from over here and you can give them, check it out. So now it is trying to build this particular version whatever I had given, 24 slim bullseye. So this version it is trying to pull. So this is a specific version. Now we can see in my local we can see two images. One is openjdk latest and another one is openjdk 24 slim bullseye. So this is the second image we are trying to pull. And also I want to pull another image called just drive react app. So this is one of the image I uploaded it. It's my own image. So I want to pull this one, and this is also having one of the tag called latest. So how to pull my own images? So you can pull it very easily. You can give your login name followed by the image name, which one you are trying to pull. So that's very simple. So now let me pull my own image, docker pull space just prime. I'm not going to give any version, so it is trying to pull the latest version. So that's it. So it is trying to pull my latest version. So this is one of the React JS application. I created it and then I uploaded it to Docker Hub. So now I am trying to pull it to my local machine. So now totally we can see three images in our machine. So one is OpenJDK latest one, and the second one is OpenJDK 24 Slim Bullseye, and the third one is React app. So now we are going to see Docker image command, then we are going to see all the three images. So let it complete, then we can see it out. So it will take a couple of minutes sometime based on your bandwidth connectivity. This React.js image is a little bigger size one, so that's what is taking more time. Let's wait. After that we are going to issue the docker images command just to display the images list which is available in our local machine. Still not completed, so we have to wait for a minute. Yes, it's done almost. Yes, now we can see here it's completed. Select it fully complete. So then we can able to see all the images list by using the docker space image command. Yeah, now we can see, so this download part is completed. So docker image we can able to pull with the docker pull command followed by the image name which you are interested. So now what I'm going to use, I want to see all the list of images which is available in my machine. So for that you can type docker space image. So docker space image, what it will do, it will try to images, sorry, so images. So basically docker space images, what it will try to display all the images which is available currently in your local machine. So it will display the repository slash followed by the image name and the tag name, image id, the created, I mean when it was created, and what's the size. You can see over here React OpenJDK is 705 MB size, but whereas OpenJDK 725, the official one, and you can see the React app, it's around 2.61 GB. So that's what it took more time when we are trying to download or when we are trying to pull the image. Okay, so now this is the way you can able to see the images which is available currently in your local machine by using the docker images command. So now what I want to do, I want to run a particular image in my local machine and I want to see the results. So how we are going to run it? So then we can able to access the application also. So to run a particular image in your local machine, so you can use a docker run command, and it's very easy. So say for instance now I want to run my React.js application image. So for that you can use docker space run space hyphen d. So this is called, we are going to run this image in a detached mode, and we are going to give a specific port whatever I am interested so that we can use it. So I want to run my image in 111 port, and which is currently configured this image in 3000, which will listen it. So basically docker space run space -d detach mode -p the ports I want to run in 3 4 1s, and which is currently it's configured at docker image side, and then followed by image. So what image you want to run it? Say for instance I want to run, this is the image, try to press enter. So this is the command docker space run space -dp ports and the image which you are interested to run. So now your application is running the image which is configured over here under port 41. So how we are going to access it? So to access that one, you can come over here, localhost, press enter over here. So this is the way you can able to run the image. You can see over here now the port. Say for instance now I want to run another image, a same image in a different port. So let me give this as two images I am running. The same image but two different ports I'm running. So let me come back over here. So I'm going to open another browser which is called, which is listening as 2. So we can see we are getting the same results. So this is the way you can able to run one image any number of times with different ports also, and you can use this simple command docker run -d and you can able to run it out. So now say for instance if you want to see how many, whenever you are running this docker run command, it will start a container. Okay, so in your machine now if you want to see how many containers are running, so that we can see very easily with the help of docker space ps. So ps, what it will do, it will display the containers how many it's running currently in your machine. So we can see there is a two containers are running, two containers, and two containers of type react app image which is we have downloaded. And when it was started running, what ports is this? So you can see here 441 is external port what we have configured, and 3000 which is listening it. So this is the way we can able to see the some of the basic details of the container which is running in your machine. Say for instance now you want to restart or you want to stop, you want to stop or you want to restart, you want to start any particular container, so that you can able to do very easily with the help of docker stop start restart followed by the container name. Say for instance now I want to stop stop and then container id. So for instance now I want to stop this port 11141 which is started in the initially. So you can take this id, you can pass it. So this is a not image name, this is a container id, and then press enter. So this is stop now. Okay, now come back here. If you want to really verify whether this 41 port is stopped or not, just come here and do reset, restart, then it will not work. So that means we have stopped it. Now similarly if you want to see the real how many containers are running, you can see it over here, and it will display only one container is running. But if you want to see there is another container but it's in stop mode, if you want to see all the containers, then you can pass another argument called -a, then you can able to see the stop one also. The status is, you can see over here, it is exited 36 seconds ago. The up one is keep running, it's up 2 minutes. See over here now 53 seconds. So that's the way you can able to display the commands. You can able to display the containers by using the docker ps -a, including all. If you want to run only up containers, you can just pass docker ps, that's it. Now this container currently it's in stop state. If you want to restart it, you can give the either start or restart, anything. So I'm going to use start followed by same container ID, then press enter. So now you can check the all containers. We can see over here it's up 3 seconds. So now we can come back over here and restart, so we can able to see the your application is up and running. Similarly, if you want to restart, so you can pass the restart command, so it will stop and it will start together. Now we can come and check over here. So it's just 3 seconds before it got started. So this is the way you can able to restart it, stop it and start it. Say for instance you want to delete one particular Docker completely, you don't want it, so how we are going to do it? So that we are going to do it, you can stop it and you don't want to be stopped, you want to delete it permanently, the container. So how we are going to do it? So let me stop it first. So let me try rm, what will happen, rm, and I want to delete this container. See, so when you are trying to remove a container, it's saying that currently it's running, so you cannot remove a container which is currently it's in running mode. So first we have to do, we have to stop the container. Now stop it. So now if you can see it's in stop mode, it's not running. So now we can apply the rm command on this 8bf container. So now it got deleted. Now we can check the command container list, you can able to see only one which is running. So this is the way you can able to remove a particular container from your machine. Say for instance now I want to remove a image, so let me images. So you can see over here, I can see there is a 3 images in my local. So now I decided I don't want to use this OpenJDK bullseye. So we are going to remove it. So you can use a similar command but slight difference. Docker RMI remove images and then followed by image ID, you can pass it over here. So here we are trying to remove image, not a container. So you have to pass the image ID and then execute it. So we can see, so this particular image got removed. So now we can display the, so we can see now only 2 images. Now let me remove another one also. So what command we have to use? Docker RMI and then followed by which image you are interested to delete it. So you can delete it. And now you can see only one is there. Now if you want, we can remove the image as well, though we are using the React app image, but we can remove it because the container is spin up, so then we don't need the image really. So let me remove it. It won't stop you to remove. Yes, currently it is not allowing because currently this image is also using it, so it's not allowing it. Because sometimes when the image want to recreate it, so in that case it require the image, so we can't delete it. So whenever you scheduled a recreate auto heal process, so then when the pods went down or container went down, so it is require a base image to come back again. So that's the reason it won't allow you to delete the image when it's running a container based on this. I think that's all about this image basic useful commands. So what we have seen over here, we'll just have verify one time. So docker search command, this will be very useful if you want to search images, and you can use the filters so to minimize the results. After that we have seen how to pull a image back. After that we are seeing how to run or display the images. And then finally we can able to run the images with the help of docker run, and we can see the containers, and then we can see the stop, start, restart, and finally how we have deleted the images and containers by using the docker rmi or rm commands. I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.